Hey, good afternoon or good morning, everybody. Um, just to let you guys know, this is not a paid promotion. I am not sponsored by the company that this package came from. So let's get into it here. I been working on a project for a while, and I decided finally to sit down and learn the Easy EDA software. Because it's been like 20 years since or a little longer than 20 years since I designed a circuit board, or since I even played with the software other than just viewing it to view board files that are sent to me. So let's open this thing up. I'll just let you know it is all sealed. And yes, I ordered this on July 3rd, which would be July 4th in China. And it arrived here with $1 something shipping. It arrived here on the 12th, yesterday. So let's see what's inside this box. And hopefully I didn't screw up that bad. But if I did, oh well. Ordering boards from China are super cheap. So what do I have in here? So far they look pretty good. I just did these ones in green because these are for the Super Pro 5004E. Well, I just like JLC PCB packaging. They package stuff really well. So let's see how I did. I know I messed up at a few spots, so I will do a revision of this board. I'm not sure if I want to make this board public yet or not. So let's see what we got. And they vacuum seal this stuff really, really well. Like Christmas Day. Hey, these look pretty nice. There we go. Yeah, on that IDC connector, I needed to move it up a little bit. But if you guess what it is, you get bonus points. The solder leveling could have been a little better, but that looks pretty nice for prototype boards. I'll go through and I'll function check everything. Make sure all my connections are good. I forgot to, before I sent this board off, I forgot to do my teardrops, so none of the traces to the pads and vias have teardrops, so looks pretty good. Have you guessed what it is yet? Say some of the vias didn't tent. Gotta figure that out in the software. Not sure why they didn't get covered. Bit close to the edge down there. Definitely have to fix that on the next batch. I don't know if I'm going to even do a next batch. I might just, if these work fine, I might release it to public. So, oh, there's the some information that'll give you a clue what it's for. And my socket fits. I like that. I had to draw my own outline for the Aries socket, and they did not have one in the database, but I think everything fits. So I get my work to assemble these. I did mess up also. I changed it. I had 0603s up here. I needed 0805. I was going to use 0805s, and I forgot to change that in the file. But 0603 will work better. Will work fine. So let's pull up. I was going to do a longer video on this, but give you a clue here. So I will get to assembling these, and I was very impressed with JLC PCB. I have another set coming. It's a little slightly different for a different version. But I noticed that the routing on the edge is not adequate. But it's good for what it is. So for what you pay for them, you know, in the US, these would run 20 times the cost of JLC PCB. So have a good night or a good day, whatever time zone you're in.